Hello YouTube. Today we're going to be reviewing or talking about this Igersoll Rand half an inch impact tool. It's model number 2135 QTI Max half an inch drive, 90 psi maximum, 6.2 bar. It's a 9,800 RPM. This is titanium metal, and this is all rugged plastic. These are on the forward speed, which is this one. These are the different speeds you can adjust. On the reverse, it goes full power. It's Igersoll Rand is one of the quietest tools out there. Best weight to power ratio, so lightest on its class, and very efficient. Me personally, I haven't used this one. I used the bigger one, the QI or the 2145 QTI Max. It's the bigger one. I used that one. It's pretty good. It feels real good on the hand, and a lot of power, obviously, like this one too. So yeah, this is the half an inch. If you could see it, yeah, titanium, and that is the side view. And that is the top. This Igersoll Rand has about up to 780 foot-pounds of max power. It only weighs 4 pounds, so a little bit less than 4 pounds. It does have a 2-year manufacturer's warranty. So I guess you have to register it, with the serial number there and on their website or something, and they'll warranty it out for you. But yeah, it provides forward and reverse and different torque settings right there. So yeah, this is my quick review on this Igersoll Rand air tool, half an inch air tool. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe and hit the little bell icon. Thank you.